How to add link to TikTok bio without a business or creator account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can add link to TikTok bio without a business or creator account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to add a link to your TikTok bio without a business or creator account, it's very simple. So all you have to do is open up the TikTok application. Now over here, the whole business and the professional account thing is really secondary, because one of the primary things over here is the minimum threshold requirement for TikTok having 1,000 followers. Even if you have a personal account, there's really not going to be any impact on the TikTok bio, but the problem is going to have the impact if you don't have over 1,000 followers, which means that currently you can see I only have 51 followers and I have a normal personal account. If I want to add a link to my TikTok bio, I need to tap the edit profile option. Here you can see bio. I can tap the bio option and then I can simply paste the link that I copied, tap the save option, and the link will get added whether or not I have a professional or personal account. But the downside of this feature is that if I don't have over 1,000 followers, then this link is not going to get clickable, as you can see over here. So there is no option to copy it, there is no option to click it. And if you have over 1,000 and you have a professional account after that, then you can tap on edit profile. Instead of pasting the link inside this bio section, you'd be able to find a new option over here called website. And when you paste the link inside the website option and then you save the changes, then that link is going to get clickable. So when you paste it inside the website option, then that's going to be clickable, but if you paste it inside the bio section, it's not going to be clickable. That's the only difference over here. So hope this video helped you clear the confusion as to how you can add a link to TikTok bio without a business or creator account. Hope this video is very helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.